So I recently received a package from Super Sponge and I'm super excited because they sent me some really cool stuff. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from them. So first of all, the star of the show is the Super Sponge. These are really cool because it's a sponge, but it has a silicone coating. This saves 4 times the makeup because your makeup doesn't absorb into the sponge. It also limits germs because silicone is very hygienic, and it stays way cleaner and it's easier to clean off. So very excited. Also 5% of all the profits go towards helping dying coral reefs, so that's cool. These are also cruelty free, latex free, and really excited to try this out and show you guys how it works. Also their packaging is very nice. Look at this, nice sturdy plastic. Very nice packaging. Okay, in this box next we have this Blendish little silicone palette ring. So this is cool. Blendish is the perfect hands-free solution for mixing makeup. Made from premium grade silicone for a comfortable fit and an ultra hygienic surface for mixing both liquid and cream products. This is perfect because if you've seen any of my other recent makeup tutorials here on YouTube, then you've probably seen me mix 2 of my favorite foundations together. So instead of doing it on my face, I could do it right here on this little palette. So I'm excited to try this too. I'll be using both of those in today's video. They also sent me Sponge Bath. This is an antibacterial sponge soap. So obviously this is used to clean off your super sponge. Let's open her up. Also very nice packaging. Let's see if she smells like anything. Oh, okay, I was gonna struggle and try and take this, there's a little plastic thing on top of the soap, and then I realized I could literally just twist it up and take it off that way. Wow, what a concept. It's very stuck on here though, it's sectioned on here. Okay, there we go. Doesn't smell like anything, but this is just a little soap to clean your sponge. So that's nice, I'm excited to try that. I usually just use dish soap. And then they also sent me these right here. These are called Cake Off. These are Cake Off Cleansing Pad, will melt all traces of makeup, dirt, and even waterproof formulations from skin using water only. Our super soft microfiber is specialized to suit all skin types, even sensitive and problem skin. No need to scrub or use harsh facial cleansers. Cake Off is non-abrasive and gently removes impurities without drying out your skin. These no-mess reusable cleansing pads can be washed up to 200 times each, so that's great. Instead of contributing to waste with all those makeup wipes, I love reusable makeup removers like these. I've never tried these specific ones from Super Sponge, but they're thick, she's thick and so soft, and there's 2 different sides. So very excited to try these out, and I'm very happy that they sent me 2 boxes. Thank you, Super Sponge. That's all that came in the box, but you can follow them on Instagram at the Super Sponge. So I'm gonna go soak my sponge because you are supposed to soak these just like you would soak a beauty blender. So I will be right back, and then we can try this out. I will be right back. Okay, so obviously I don't have any foundation on. I do have my brows and my eye makeup done, but I need to do my foundation. So I'm gonna put this little ring palette on, which is so cute, and it's cool because this will fit all finger sizes because it's not a full circle. So I'm going to put this on my finger. I'm just going to put it on my index finger. Then I'm going to take my foundations. I'm using the Stay Naked from Urban Decay. I like to mix 31NN with 41NN because 31NN is a little too light for me, but 41NN is a little too. So mix these up on my palette. This is actually really nice. Oh, I forgot to mention the bottom of this container that the Super Sponge came in actually doubles as a little scrubby when you go to clean your sponge. So that's really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna mix my foundation around with my sponge. I'm so excited. This feels so nice too. So cute. Okay, using my palette. The moment of truth. Are you guys ready? Should I zoom you in? It already looks so nice. Hold on, I need a mirror to look up close. Look at that application. Look at my skin. Oh my god. Ooh. I feel like this gives you a really full coverage application. It definitely feels different than like a regular beauty blender, obviously, because this is like a silicone sponge, but you still have that like spongy application, you know what I mean? Because I've tried those little like silicone pads before that you like smear around. It's such a weird concept. I really love that this is like a silicone sponge, and I feel like I'm getting like the most out of my foundation. Ooh, this looks so good. And then of course you still have the little sponge on the bottom, so if you wanted to use that end of it as well, you could. So this was a very interesting sponge experience. I do like the way that it applied my foundation, but I find that it does apply it a little heavier than I'm used to, which is fine. I did end up using the sponge end of it a little bit just to kind of soften some areas a tad. So I do like that it has the sponge end and also the silicone part as well. I also like that this is easier to rinse off. I did find that it applied, it got a little sticky when I was using it, which is kind of interesting. Maybe I just needed to apply a little more product, but because it was a little sticky, I felt that it kind of like lifted off the foundation a little bit in my T-zone area, like around my nose, which it doesn't look that bad, but that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, if you're into a heavier application, I think this would be perfect for you. Also, if you love makeup sponges and you like to apply your foundation with makeup sponges, this is absolutely worth a try. I think it's very interesting, and I think it's a very nice product. It feels very nice. Very durable and kind of luxurious for a sponge, and I also like that it's on the more hygienic side. I'm honestly like not super crazy about applying my makeup with a sponge at all, but I did like this one. So yeah, would recommend if you are into like a heavier makeup application for sure, because I definitely think this gives a little bit more of a heavier makeup application. This little thing was super cool too. I like this as well. And this was nice to have when I was like mixing my foundation. I obviously did the rest of my makeup off of camera, but this is my finished makeup with my foundation application up close. Looks pretty good. I had a lot of fun trying out the super sponge, and I definitely cannot wait to try out their cake off makeup removers. That's like what I'm most excited about, to be completely honest. That'll be a different video though. Let me know if you want to see me use these on camera. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Let me know what other products you want to see me review. Overall, I would give the super sponge like an 8 out of 10. I'm just not like super crazy about the silicone applicator, but I don't think it's bad. I just personally prefer to apply my makeup with a fluffy brush. I just can't get over using my fluffy brush. I just love the application so much. But like I said, if you are into sponges, if you're into a heavier application, if you've used other silicone products to apply your foundation and you like it, then definitely give the super sponge a try, because I think it's a very good product. I love all their packaging. All of the products that they sent me are very nice and very good quality. I love their whole brand and everything they're about, and I had a lot of fun trying out this product today. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!